Hi guys, so my name is Atithaya. I'm from Thailand and I'm currently preparing myself to study a master degree in the UK. And today, right now, I'm just finished my English exam with the Pearson PTE English test in Bangkok, Thailand. And I just would like to share my experience with you guys.
So before the exam, I will get the emails to confirm what do I need to bring. In Thailand, we bring a passport and we need to be there 30 minutes before the exam. They have an explanation like how to be there by the public transportation or how to drive there, like very helpful. Here is when I am arrived at the building. This is on the 10th floor and I also arrived here, which is really excited.
I just need 2.5 hours, which means that everything is done, including listening, writing, reading, and speaking tests, which is very convenient and very simple for me to arrange my time for the exam.